Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm going to show you how to dry your wand tubes pretty quick. But before we get into the video, go and check out my website. The link will be down in the description box below. Okay, so I have not seen any videos here on YouTube on how to dry your wand tubes. So I am here to show you. I'm here to save you at least 3-4 days of waiting for your wand tubes to dry. So I washed my wand tubes, and this was my first order of wand tubes, and yeah, it took about 3-4 days, and I was like, I'm fed up. There were just like little bubbles in there. So I was like, I have a blow dryer, so let me see. I put this to test and it worked. So this is my own blow dryer. I got it off of Amazon, nothing too crazy. So basically I have sanitized everything. I have my glove on and I will only be using this hand. So I just got my blow dryer and started blow drying. I put it on the highest setting and the hottest setting, and I just started blow drying my wand tubes. And I'm talking literally less than a minute. Less than a minute, my wand tubes were dry. Now I will say, if you have plastic wand tubes like myself, try not to leave them in the heat for so long because they will start to melt together. So I was like, okay, I had 3. Let me try some more. So I was able to fit at least, I think that's 5 or 6 in my hand. So as you're blow drying them, you just want to keep tapping them to get the little droplets of water out of the wand tubes. Now I ordered about 100 wand tubes. I didn't do all of them in the same day or the same setting like you see here, but I was able to do them pretty darn quick. So just keep blow drying, and yeah, you will have your wand tubes or your squeeze tubes pretty dry very quick. So back there I have the tops for my wand tubes. So I just want to show you guys how I did that. And this dries like in 10 seconds. Like literally it's just, you know, the little applicator that needs to be dry, and that really just takes no time for drying. So yeah, girls, get out your blow dryers and blow yourself away. Also, I do want to mention, it would be much better to use a oven mitten, because with these gloves, every time my hand was getting hot, I was taking it away from the heat of the blow dryer, because obviously it does get hot. So in the next batch that I did off camera, the rest of my wand tubes, I dried them with my oven mitt. Of course, I sanitized that too, but I did use an oven mitt. And like I said, if you have plastic, do not leave it in the heat for so long, because I did have some that did melt together and stuck together. So I just put my wand tube together. My wand tubes are 8 millimeters, and it does hold pretty much. So yeah, this is the finished wand tube, all dry. In less than a minute, you will have your wand tubes ready to go. So thank you for making it to the end of the video. So these are all my handles for my business. If you follow us on Instagram, please check us out. I'm selling a little bit of everything, and I make everything by hand. I will have lashes coming pretty soon to the site. I have a few up there right now. But yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.